Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to part 2 of this mini series where I'm talking about retail arbitrage. If you missed the last video, we pretty much went into Walmart and found a couple of different products. I found some Sonic the Hedgehog Legos and this iPhone alarm clock. And pretty much what we're going to be doing is now in this video making a shipping plan, printing out our item labels and box labels so we can ship all of our inventory right into Amazon. And to show you guys how simple it is to start doing this kind of thing, all you really need is this Amazon seller app right here. And then there's going to be a little camera icon on the inside that looks like this. And then all you need to do is just scan the product barcode with the app. And then you can see what the product is selling for on Amazon. And we can see that the revenue after Amazon fees is going to be $40.88. And the funny thing was at the cash register, the guy was ringing in all my products and he literally forgot to ring this one in. So I'll be making $40 in profit when I sell this, as well as $7 each. So I have 2 of these. I'll be making $54 in profit after I sell just 3 of these items. So this is a great way to make some quick cash. Now, a quick reminder for you guys is any UPC code showing on the box, you're going to want to cover that up. And I'll show you how we're doing that with the Amazon barcode specifically. And I'll also give you another thing you want to avoid. Try and already find products that are in boxes like this, because if you don't, you're going to have to get a little poly bag and package that product up yourself so you can put the actual Amazon barcode right there on the packaging. I was talking with my friend and he said that he came up on some stuffed animals, but if those aren't in a box like this or anything, or a cardboard packaging, he'll have to put those in poly bags and then put an Amazon barcode on that bag so he can ship that into Amazon. So let's go hop behind my computer and I'll show you how we print out those item labels and start our shipping plan. Alright guys, so I'm in Seller Central right now, and the first thing that I did was come to the Inventory tab and press Add a Product. And it brought me to this page right here where I can say List a brand new product. And what I'm going to want to do is not create my own listing like I would with private label products, but I'm going to go ahead and put in the ASIN of this product. And to find that, I'm just going to go ahead and scan it with my Amazon app. Alright, so it gives me the ASIN right here. I'll go ahead and type that on in. And there's our product. I'll just go ahead and press Sell Yours Now. And the seller SKU right here is just something for my reference. So I can just say the SKU is Clock 101. And then my price, I'll just go ahead and say $39.99. I can always go ahead and change this at any time. And this is brand new. And it shows me the lowest price here is $40.97 plus shipping. But what I get to do is say I'm going to have Amazon provide all the customer service. So this is going to give me free Prime shipping. I'm actually probably going to beat these guys out and get the sale before they do because I have Prime shipping and I'm selling at a lower price. So the people won't be paying around $46. They'll just pay $39.99. And I can go press Save and Finish. And for the barcode type, we do want to say we want to have manufacturer barcodes because we're going to print our own barcodes and put those on there. If you wanted, you could say Amazon barcode, but they're going to charge you 20 cents when you send this into Amazon to put that little sticker on your product. I'll just say manufacturer barcode and continue. Okay, so now because this alarm clock is actually an electrical item, they do want me to fill out a hazmat review, and I have a video on how you can complete that right in my channel here. But what I'm going to do is now skip out on this one, and I'll just continue the rest of the video and show you how to print the item labels and get all the shipping plan good for this product in particular. I'll finish this alarm clock on my own time. So again, we're just going to go to Add a Product, and I'll scan the barcode and get the ASIN again. Alright, I got the ASIN. I'll just go ahead and type that in. And I found the exact item. I'll go ahead and say Sell Yours Now. For the SKU, I'll just name it Sonic Lego 101. And this is a brand new item. For the item price, I'll go ahead and charge $35.99. I will still be winning the buy box because I have the lowest price compared to all of my other sellers. And that means I'll get the sale right away first before anyone else does. So again, we're going to say I want the manufacturer barcode. Press Save and Continue. Add our dangerous goods information. Does this utilize batteries? No. And no, it's not considered a dangerous good. So the form is complete. I can press Save and Continue, and it's going to take me right back to the shipping plan. So now here's how we do the shipping plan. We're going to start by saying create a new shipping plan, and then it's going to have the ship from address, and I'll go ahead and ship from my home address. And we'll be saying this is an individual type packaging because I'm going to send in a package with a number of different items. So I'll send in this alarm clock, some Legos, and that's going to be a bunch of different individual products as compared to a case packed where I would be shipping in all of the same type of product. So I'll say continue to shipping plan. And now it's asking for how many units of this Lego I'll be shipping in. And I'm going to say 2 units and press continue. We'll go ahead and say who preps. It's going to be the merchant. That's going to be me. I'll be the one labeling my product. And now it's taking us to how to label our products. So I can go ahead and say how many labels do I want. I'm just going to want 2 labels. And then I just press print labels for this page. And what it brings me to is my little item labels. So here's where I'm going to print these labels out and actually cover this UPC code with the Amazon labels that are right here on my screen. There is some special label paper that you can get at any office store, and it'll give you labels that will print out on top of actual sticky paper, so you can print this out on that paper and peel off this item label and then stick it right on here. What I'm going to do is actually just print this out on regular paper and then use some really good tape and then tape that over this label. So I've done that before and I've had no problem with it. So let's go back to our shipping plan. I've got my item labels, who labels, it's going to be the merchant, and that's going to cost us nothing to do that. And now I'll just review my shipment. So it's saying I'm going to be sending to New Jersey, and I'll pretty much just press approve shipment, and then I'll say work on shipment. And we're almost done with the shipping plan. All we have to do now is select who we're going to have deliver it. I'll just say UPS for now. And everything is going to be in one box. And now here's where I'll just basically weigh the box out, do the box dimensions, and then right down here it's going to say print box labels. So I'm going to do this on my own time. I'm just showing you guys up to this point. But I'll just put in that information and then it will allow me to calculate how much the shipping charge is going to be. It's probably going to be something like $4 or something real cheap like that. And then I can print my box labels right here. And the fee that's $4 is going to come out of your Seller Central account. If you already have money in there from products you've been selling, it'll just come out of that expense. After you set up your Seller Central account, you will have to put in your debit card information and the small shipping charge will just come right off of that. So all you have to do is then print your box labels, stick those right on the box you're trying to ship in and press complete shipment, and then drop your box off at the nearest UPS store. So this was just a fun little side project I wanted to do to show you guys how you can start selling on Amazon and get your feet wet with playing around with setting up a shipping plan and all this good stuff. So then later, once you get more comfortable and you see how fast things really do sell on Amazon, then you can move into something like private labeling, where that's what I started right after I did my first retail arbitrage shipment back last year in April. I bought an Amazon course and learned how to private label products. And if you guys are interested in taking a course, and if you're interested in taking one with me, I'm actually developing my Amazon Seller Pro course, which is going to be teaching you how to private label. And it goes really in depth, even more so than this video, of course. But I wanted to bring that to you guys, and I'm going to have a link below to my email where you can email me and just send me your name and I'll give you a $100 discount on the course when it comes out. So instead of it being $397, it's only going to be $297, and I'm going to give you guys a 1-hour phone consultation call with me after you finish the course so I can one-on-one personally see what questions you guys had and walk you through the answers with that. So thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.